Alright guys, we have a train show right now. Yeah?
Need that for the garden?
Yeah, I'm thinking about, I think we have a, hold on, let me just look down here. Yeah, we even got some narrow gauge stuff too. We got a lot of narrow gauge. Got some narrow gauge. Oh, I also have that. They also got that. That's cool. Oh, here comes a. That's yeah. Those are these behind them. Those are actually narrow gauge cars that Durango and Silverton used to use. Those are freight cars that are on Durango and Silverton. Same thing with those. Those are narrow gauge box cars. Oh, wreck.
It looks like the track's pink.
I think that might be some Thomas stuff. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later when I go inside.